To request an event space, go to scheduling.usu.edu and log in with your A number and strong password. Then find Event Service-Event Request from the reservation template list. Click the Book Now button on the right side of the screen. Use the Date and Time section on the left-hand side to select your desired dates and time. If your event is a single one-day event, then enter in your desired date and time, then click the blue Search button. If your event is multiple days in a row, weekly, or monthly, you can use the Recurrence button and make those selections. Click Apply Recurrence once you are finished. If a recurrence is applied, the system will take you to the rooms you can request. Select the locations you would like by clicking the green plus sign on the left side. On the right side, you can see the green bars that say Filter Match. This shows which rooms best match your dates, availability, and cost. If you have not chosen a recurrence, the red lines show the times you have selected. You will be able to see the availability of the space on the calendar. Once you click the green plus sign, a box will appear asking for the number of expected attendees and how you want the room set up. Fill in the boxes, then click Add Room. You will then be taken back to the calendar. At the top of the page, it shows what room you have selected, and if a recurrence is selected, how many of them are selected. To move to the next step, click the blue Next Step button in the top right corner. The next page takes you to the Services section of the form. This allows you to select desired equipment. In the Start and End Time sections, please enter your event start time and end time. Please note, if you only need tables and chairs, please select Setup for your service type. If any audio/video is needed, please select AV. On the rare occasion you do not need equipment but need a technician, please select Personnel. Click the hyperlink to read the terms and conditions, then check the box. Select your equipment by clicking the arrows on the right side, which will open a list of available equipment. To choose equipment, click on the equipment and a new box will appear asking for quantity and special instructions specific to that equipment. If there is additional cost associated with any equipment, the price will be listed in this box. Click OK and you will be taken back to the list of equipment. On the right side, you will see a summary of services that you have requested. If you have special instructions or specific setup notes, please enter them under the setup notes. Click the blue Next Step button in the top right corner to go to the final page. The screen will come up where you can add in all the information requested, such as the event name, type, group, and contact information. Please note, if you are submitting a request for a department that is different from your college or department listed under the group, you will need to take additional steps. First, select your main group, select your name under the first contact, and fill in the requested information. Then, under the What is the organization sponsoring the event question, please enter which group you are submitting the request for. Once the form is completely filled out, click the Create Reservation button in the bottom right corner. A box will pop up and Event Services will be in contact soon to confirm your event. For questions or concerns, please contact Central Reservations at 435-797-0423 or email us at eventservices@usu.edu.